Hi guys, and welcome back to New to Country. Today's video is part 3 of what I got my kiddos for Christmas. So, la 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 la. First thing is these two guys. So these two guys are from Tots on Disney, and oh, you know what? I thought it was just an animal, but it feels kind of hard. And there's a press me here button on it. I'm kind of scared because I don't want to wake up the kids, but I want to press it. But anyway, so they love this show. I think it's Wings Flap. Let's press it, guys. Let's check it. Ready? Is it gonna work? It's not working. Maybe it needs batteries. I'm gonna find batteries. If it needs batteries. Oh, it's off. Okay. Let's see. I just put it on try me. Let's see when that maybe not. Ah, my nose was itchy. But whatever. Let's try.
You're clear for takeoff! Oh, the little beauty. You are. It's time to bring another family together.
Oh my god. Okay, I don't want to press it anymore, but that is so cute. So cute. That show is adorable. Anyway. Next thing is this guy, little Rolly.
Wow!
Next is just good old Bumblebee. I love Bumblebee. He's probably my favorite Transformer. So sad. Oh, okay. Another little neutral card because we love some Sonic here. Oh my god, did you guys see that new Sonic movie? I mean, not that new anymore, but that thing was adorable. My kids are like dying for part 2. They're like, "It's part 2. When's part 2 coming?" I'm like, "It has to make it first." Okay. So, ow. While I struggle to get this bag open, this is probably a short video, huh? That almost fell off my lap. So what I was going to say is that I am going to do a separate video on stocking stuffers and what I got them, you know, to go into there because, well, honestly, I haven't got much yet for stocking stuffers because even I'm like at a loss because I'm just like, I don't know what to get. I just don't know. But maybe you guys have some ideas for me. Anyway, this next guy is Imaginext. It's just a Batmobile. I think there's a little Batman right there. Some little shooters is what we call them. Just like stick in and shoot out. Kids go nuts for those. Okay, so this next one is going to be a pain. I'm trying to show you guys only because they put it in like this frustration-free packaging or whatever, and it's literally just in a box. So I don't know for real. It's like little top toys, and they come with little beads and stuff. There was that. That's not all of it, but guys, I'm not opening the box. Last and not least, Splatoon. That should be a fun game. Thank you guys so much for watching. Jesus Christ. Okay guys, we are back and wait, let me start that over. Hold on. I didn't even press the right on it. Out to the wild west, puppy dog, puppy dog. It's a little bit. Okay. Bye.